Anyone?
Ma'am, nominal is proper or common noun, which you said, and ordinal is nominal data. For example, a good, better, this way.
Nominal data with a hierarchy or with the order.
Hierarchy. Yes.
Correct?
At the PDF
Okay,
which you have given, I think.
correct. Now, when we go for nominal data, always remember here the biggest question that comes in coding is who should be assigned one and who should be assigned two, because we don't have any order in this, correct? Okay. So best reference for this is go back to your questionnaire and check that whether what was the first option that you gave. For example, I asked gender, first option was male, second option was female, and third option was others. So what I'll do, male 1, female 2, others 3. Are you getting?
Ma'am,
Male 1.
can we, so in the option, if we have given female, generally we don't have this option. In any
Hmm.
of the papers, we have male, female, and others. But
Hmm.
if I have female, male, others, is it possible?
Yes, yes. Then female 1, male 2, others 3. Okay, that's what I said. For nominal data, revisit your questionnaire and follow the same order that you have given. Okay, that is the best way of coding your nominal data. There are there are two benefits of doing so. Number one, you need not have to memorize which word had which coding. Okay. Second, you can always revisit the questionnaire in case of any doubts. Okay. And third, you can always justify stating that the same was the chronology. Suppose if you are being asked that why did you give male as the code 1 and female as the code 2, you can always justify stating that this was the same hierarchy in my questionnaire. And hence I was sticking to the same hierarchy. So this is for the long-term preparedness as well. Okay, fine. Secondly, when you have ordinal data, okay, where you have order, the least positive gets 1. The most positive gets 5 or 7, whatever scale you have used. Okay, something with the least positive impact in it. Okay, for example, good, better, best. So good 1, better 2, best 3. There we will go in the chronology, irrespective of how you have asked in your questionnaire. Okay, irrespective of how you have asked in your questionnaire, there we will be following this typical hierarchy.
So suppose, ma'am, if it's best, better, good, then
Still, best will still be 3, better will
okay.
still be 2, good will still be 1.
So how we will recognize if you say that it is in a hierarchy form, then only it's 1, 2, 3. I
Yes,
mean,
there is a hierarchy, right?
why in male, female, we are not getting 3, 2, 1? I mean, are you getting my question? Means
I got it. I got it. Okay. You can still do 3 to 1. But as I said, there are two reasons. One, you need not recollect or did not mug up that what coding I did gave to which word. You simply go in the chronology. You can always revisit your questionnaire in case you have any confusion. Second, if ever asked about why have you given a particular coding, you can always say I have been following the same hierarchy that I have used in my questionnaire. This is the best rule for nominal based questions, nominal data.